Once upon a time, in a beautiful garden, there lived a group of birds. They were happy and content, spending their days singing and playing in the sunshine. One day, a hawk came to the garden and started attacking the birds. The birds were terrified and didn't know what to do. They tried to fly away, but the hawk was too fast for them. One little bird had an idea. It suggested that all the birds should work together and fly up together, so the hawk wouldn't be able to catch any one of them. The other birds agreed, and they all flew up together, flapping their wings as fast as they could. The hawk was caught off guard, and it couldn't catch any of the birds. It tried to fly after them, but the birds flew faster and faster, circling around the garden until the hawk finally gave up and flew away. The birds were thrilled with their success and celebrated their victory by singing and playing even more joyfully than before. From that day on, the birds worked together and looked out for each other, knowing that they were stronger when they were united.